Guys, do you want to delete all of your Instagram posts within one click? So then this video is made for you, because in this video I'm just going to tell you the exact way how to delete your all of Instagram posts within one click. So just make sure you like this video and subscribe to my channel, because it helps me much more. Thanks guys. So first of all, just simply open up your Instagram app and then come to your profile section. The profile section, if you just want to delete a particular post, just simply select it and then tap on the three dots on the top right, and here you'll see a delete option. Tap on delete and then click delete to continue. So in this way you can just delete one particular post. So if you want to delete multiple of your posts, just simply tap on the three lines on the top right corner and tap on your activity, and then here you will see the option of posts and reels. If you want to delete your multiple of posts, you just select post, and if you want to delete your multiple of reels, just select reels, and then here it will show all of your reels that you have shared on the Instagram. So if you want to delete them, just simply tap on select on the top right corner and then select the reels you want to delete. So in this way you can select multiple of reels at a time, and you can delete them within one click by tapping on delete and then click on delete to continue. So that's how you can easily delete your multiple posts of Instagram within one click. So I hope it helps you guys, and if you have any question about the tutorial, just leave me in the comment section below and I'll catch you on the next video. Thanks guys, and if you don't, just like and subscribe to my channel, and I would recommend you to check the latest video on the end screen.